Hey guys, today Oreo is going to be playing some soccer. Okay, Oreo, so I'll be scoring in this goal, and Oreo will be scoring in that goal. Oreo, ready to play some soccer?
I want to protect that goal.
Oh yeah, and Sophia is protecting that goal or that goal?
That goal.
Okay, so Oreo and Sophia are protecting that goal, I'm protecting this goal. Let's play. Okay, now Sophia and Oreo will start with the ball, and they'll try to score in this blue thing.
So can I sit down to block the ball?
No, it's not allowed.
Yeah, but besides, these goals are so tiny.
I know, but Sophia, that's the point. You can't sit down because they are so tiny. So get up and block it. Okay. Sophia, you need to actually stand up.
Sorry, but how are you going to get a goal anyway? Because I'm wearing a dress.
Whatever, Sophia, just throw it. Throw it. Oh, yes. Oreo, are you going to take the ball from me? I bet you're not going to take the ball. Oh, no. Okay, Oreo. Ah! Whoa! Oreo! Oh, no. Ah! Oreo!
Oreo, good goalie. Oreo, Mark has a good goalie.
Ah! Oh no, Oreo's carrying the ball. Oreo, is that even allowed? Oh! Oh my god. Oreo! Oh! Oreo scored. Oreo just scored.
Oh,
let's go. Yes, I scored! Okay, now the score... now the score is tied 1-1. We're tied up now. Okay, now you start with the ball, Sophia.
Oreo.
Well, Oreo gets to start with the ball now.
No, she doesn't. Oreo just carried it with its mouth. Oreo, look at the Cheeto.
Sophia, just kick it. Oh my god, I got the ball
Just
back.
kidding, Oreo. You're not mocked at the Cheeto. You're a dog. You don't.
Yes, I got it. Go.
Choco very well.
Oh no. Oreo. Okay. Let's bring this back to my goal. Oreo.
You can't score in your own.
Oh no. Oreo scored again. Okay. Here it is. It's the play that will decide it all. Oh my god. Oreo. Oh no. Oreo's carrying the ball towards her goal to have Sophia throw. Uh-oh. I'm guarding my goal too. Kick it, Sophia. Kick it. Oh, it bounced off of Oreo. Okay. Oreo? There's no way you're getting it from me, Oreo.
Oreo. Yeah, Oreo just controls her head.
Oh, no! I scored in my own goal. Well, it turned out that Oreo won 3-2. Well, now it's the end, so if you enjoyed, make sure to like the video and subscribe
This is Oreo's theme song.
for more videos. Bye.